guys, what's up? Fitnessiology is now 1 year old since we launched this channel last year of July 9, 2019. It's been a year now and we've celebrated our channel birthday. We started our first shoot here in the south area of Manila, and here we are.
Hey guys! Sitting here together, we are Team Fitnessiology!
We got some exciting news to share.
Hope you guys find it exciting as we do.
So the news is that YouTube invited our channel Fitnessiology to be part of this eligibility program and what's going to be known as channel membership, a feature for YouTube creators.
This feature allows you guys out there to join the membership program or support the channel so we can create more exciting videos just for you, exclusively.
Basically, by joining or supporting our channel, Fitnessiology will be able to go out there and create more innovative and exciting and unique content and encourage others, fitness coaches, to share more free trainings through social media like this, YouTube, and support funds for creators like us.
We will be offering free training access on how to build your channel, trainings on basic photography, video editing, graphics and designing, and how to start up a marketing on social media and earn more as a freelance fitness coach. Sounds great, right? This is for members only access. I think this is gonna be helpful if you're gonna start building your own YouTube channel too.
Alongside with these exclusive weekly videos that we will uploading for exclusive members, you will also get access to members only posts under the community tab. This can be found on the channel's homepage.
And not only that, you will also get a badge, a special badge. So when you do comment on any of videos, you will have a badge that you can wear with as a part of the family, and viewer will know that you are part of the Fitnessiology family.
So with that said, we are completely aware that with anything new, there's going to be changes and tweaks that will be made in the coming weeks, and that is why we are launching this new program, Join or Membership Program, to support fitness trainers and coaches out there and those who wanted to be trainers soon and have a fitness channel just like this, Fitnessiology.
And that's why we're doing this new program. So who knows how it goes? Maybe this is going to be something beautiful and exciting that every channel on YouTube is going to get and enjoy, or it might be an option. If you don't try, you will not know.
Plus, this is a great feature to support our fellow freelancers out there. So we are prepared to give it a go and see how it goes. I think this can turn into something really exciting and helpful to all. Guys, what's exciting about this new feature is that we have undertaken and decided to give 10% of your membership over to the homeschoolers that needs financial assistance and homeschool materials, so we can continue to support homeschooler and students, and we will be doing this as an ongoing campaign and project. Our regular healthy tips video and weekly uploads will still be the same and accessible for our viewers. And all this now enables Fitnessiology to go out and film more exciting and exclusive contents. And those who want to see that content can therefore be part of the membership perks and program or pay the content, which is a little bit more unique.
So guys, if membership sounds good to you, you can click the join button right beside the subscribe button, and we already have a video in store for members only exclusive.
So guys, that's about it.
And remember, this channel is not about you nor us. It's about promoting an active and healthy lifestyle.
It's about helping our fellow fitness trainers.
And it's all about helping others too.
And I think those of you who would like to join, just click the join button.
And you will be pleasantly surprised.
This program and feature allow us the ability to spread our wings a little bit further.
And we would like to see you on the other side.
Till then, stay safe and stay stronger.